Hey! That is our accommodation, Awal Plaza.
Okay.
Oh my God. Good afternoon. Today is, what is the day today? Today is Sunday. And uwi na kami guys. Nag-cutting kami.
Oh no!
Diba? We're cutting our time. So 2 o'clock pala supposedly. My time is until 3 o'clock. But nag-cutting kami dalawa. Nag-cutting kami ni best friend. So maybe they will cut our salary. They will cut it. Tuloy yung aming sweldo.
100% they will not cut.
Because we're cutting, no? We're cutting our time. Kasi wala na masyadong ginagawa, guys. Because there's no more delivery, no more job. That's why our supervisor allow that we can go home early. For today only. But for Honey, every day. Every day is half day. So hindi masyadong matraffic ngayon. And too much hot. What is the weather now? Temperature?
Maybe 50.
50? Check your phone. 50? I don't think so. It's 50.
Maybe 45, 43 like this.
So what is the highest temperature?
50.
50?
But not now, in August.
August. So month of August. Para ka na makakapagluto ka na. You can cook a boiled egg outside.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, I can. Sobrang init. Para hindi ka na makahinga. Even the water is too much hot. Buti na lang guys, napakamura ng ano dito ng kuryente. How much the electricity here? How much your electricity monthly?
Monthly around
1 dinar only?
No, 1 dinar. 30 BD.
30 BD?
25.
Oh, come on. Why it's so much expensive?
Yeah, like that.
Monthly?
Monthly.
Monthly, 20 BD?
25, 30.
25. So, maybe mga nasa na siya.
Because
Mga
of AC.
3,000 pesos.
Because of AC.
Yeah, because of the AC 24/7, no? Di kasi uso dito guys yung ano, electric fan. How about the gasoline? How much?
No, the gasoline expensive.
Expensive now. How much now per liter?
Per liter 137 fills.
137 fills
Yeah.
per liter.
For 1 liter.
Per one. It's not expensive. No, before how much?
Before-
Yung 137 mga
before
nasa na
only-
lang yun guys.
Before
13 pesos.
before 80 fills.
Before 80 bills?
Yeah.
Wow. Mga ano lang yun guys, yung 80 fills, mga cents lang yun sa atin. So it's very cheap.
Now
But now 100.
137.
That's one is a diesel or
No, it's petrol.
petrol. You know, in our country how much? Maybe I think 50 plus 54 pesos. So maybe it's 500, more than 500.
Too much
Maybe
expensive.
600
Too
pills.
much expensive.
Maybe 600 pills. That's
For 1
expensive.
liter?
Yeah, for 1 liter. Unlike here, no?
Better use bicycle. Well, straight or right? Left.
Ano serate?
Straight? Don't joke with me after.
Hello there! Don't go there! Why you go? You don't know our place.
You know the place, eh?
Why you will go there? That's why you going back.
Straight or there?
From there! Oh my God, he don't know this guy. Yan yung American hospital. That is a private hospital, right? And it's expensive there, no?
Yeah.
It's very expensive. So I don't know where's our location.
I told you I don't know where is the straight or right or left.
You
Tell
can
me.
left. You can left. Just turn left. I don't know.
Crazy.
Yeah, I'm crazy what to do. And then
This
you
one?
turn it
You're
right.
building near to the cinema.
You turn right.
I cannot turn right.
You turn right.
Where? Here?
No, there. Not. Oh my God.
Here not allowed.
Why not allowed?
See?
You can turn it right. No.
No, see in the traffic light?
Oh, you just straight pa.
It's mentioned.
No, it's straight.
No right.
Ah, no, right? Okay. Why? That is our accommodation, Awal Plaza. Oh my God. This guy, he don't know how
See
to...
also here no right. Crazy.
Hindi ba pwede yan? So I told you we're going to Mini. I will lose your gasoline.
No problem. Go now. Go walk.
I cannot walk. I can't walk. Too much hot outside. I told you not that way. You go in that way.
No problem. I will see.
Oh my goodness, you don't know this guy.
Every day you are coming. You don't know the place.
I told you not that way, but you pass on that way. I said to you after the, you know the Sheraton?
Hmm.
That area, the Avenue Park.
See, you can walk. No, this is your building.
It's too much hot there. I don't want.
Only 5 minutes walk.
No problem. You will drop me there. Yeah. Otherwise, I will call Barakat. I will tell to him you didn't drop me. Naligaw na po kami kasi yung driver ko hindi marunong. So, you're a driver. You must know the way. And besides, this is your country, right?
My country, but not my area.
Oh, you
here,
must
no?
know. This is a very small country.
I didn't come here no, before.
Laban lang? Ha? Laban lang?
What's mean?
You say laban lang.
Laban lang?
Laban lang. You say laban lang.
Laban lang.
Laban lang. No. You have a big stomach.
No problem.
No proper exercise.
My stomach too much rice.
Too much rice. But you're not eating rice. You're eating chapati.
Chapati, I'm not from India. This one?
Yawal Plaza, you see? Oh my goodness. My friend is very intelligent. You know everything. Yeah, that one. That way. You turn it left.
Right?
No left?
No left.
Okay, you pass me there. You drop me there. My
No,
goodness.
halas, I will park here.
You will park me.
So I will park here, no?
Oh my goodness, you
This
will.
is your building. Why
You allow me to walk? Too
Why?
much hot.
No.
Okay. Bye bye na. See you, thank you.
Which gate?
There, no.
Do?
Plaza 2.
This one, no?
Yeah, Plaza 2 there.
Okay, go.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
You say bye bye to them.
Bye bye.